Our Zero Waste Leith project is bringing together a team of partners in Leith. This includes Changeworks, Pilmeni Development Project and the Edinburgh Remakery, working with St Mary's Primary School, and a group of older residents from Manderson Court Sheltered Housing. And we're coming together to have this Learning Together intergenerational workshop. And it's about younger and older people sharing experiences and ideas about making things last and reducing waste in a fun environment that builds community connections and has everybody working together.
We do a lot of workshops with community groups. Our workshop today is in partnership with Zero Waste Leith, and we're teaching some children how to reuse old materials and textiles and make them into something new.
The purpose of the workshop was to get two intergenerational groups together and create something out of second-hand materials.
I suppose the real benefit that we've seen is that the older people and pupils have really got to know each other, which is fantastic. So the younger people are looking out for some of their friends, and the older people are looking out for the younger people as well. So we've really started to see a few friendships being formed.
We think it's really important to build community connections, not just focusing on zero waste measures, but actually having a strong community who can work together in a resilient community is something that is really crucial to actually achieving a zero waste town if we're all working together. So this is a really important part of our project. Other ways you can get involved are by coming along to the Edinburgh Remakery, where we have weekly drop-in repair surgeries where you can bring along an item of clothing or a piece of furniture that you want help fixing, and the experienced tutors there will help you mend it and fix it and get it looking good as new. And it's all free, and it's all part of the Zero Waste Leith project to encourage lots of repair skills, which is great.